In today's video, I will teach you how to flip layer horizontally and vertically in Photoshop. Let's get started. First, open the image that you would like to edit in Photoshop. Now, there are multiple ways that you can flip the image in Photoshop, and there are also multiple ways to use it. The most straightforward way of flipping an image either horizontally or vertically is to go to Image, Image Rotation, then either flip canvas horizontally or vertically. This will flip the entire image, and if you take a look at the layer thumbnail, you will notice that this action will perform across all layers. However, if you would like to only flip one layer, you can do so by selecting the layer that you would like to flip. Make sure that the layer is also unlocked. If it's locked, you can simply double-click on the lock icon attached to the layer to unlock it. Now, go to Edit, Transform, then flip vertical or horizontal. As a shortcut, you can also press Ctrl or Command A on your keyboard to select the whole layer. Now, press Ctrl or Command T on your keyboard to free transform. Then right-click on the selected areas, and you will have the option to either flip the layer vertically or horizontally. But keep in mind that when you flip the layer or canvas, the text and the signs on the image are also going to be flipped. So if you would like to only flip a certain area or just the subject and keep the background the same, you can do so by selecting the subject first. In the toolbar, right-click on the Quick Selection tool and select Object Selection tool. Now, in the Options bar, set the selection mode to lasso to be more specific and precise. With this tool, click and drag along the outlines of the subject and let go once you've highlighted a subject. Now, if there are parts of the subject that weren't selected, or if you would like to remove some of the selection, you can simply right-click on the Selection tool once again and select Quick Selection tool. With this tool, pay attention to the icon attached to the brush. If the brush has a plus icon, the areas that you will select with this will be added to the current selection. And when you hold Alt key on your keyboard, the brush will be switched to deselect mode, and the areas that you will go over with this will be subtracted from your current selection. Once you've selected your subject, you can now press Ctrl or Command C on your keyboard to copy the selection. Now, using the Selection tool, right-click on the selected area and select Content Aware Fill. In the Content Aware Fill workspace, you will see the image with the green highlighted areas. The green highlight indicates the parts of the image that will fill your selection. If you would like to select more areas, you can use the brush with the plus icon, and to remove the selected areas, you can switch to deselect mode by holding the Alt key on your keyboard. You will see the output on the preview panel. But once you're satisfied with the fill, you can simply click Apply, then OK. If there are parts of the image that you would like to fix, simply select the Spot Healing Brush tool from the toolbar and go over the areas that you would like to fix. You can also adjust the brush size at the Options panel. And once you're satisfied, you can now click on the Create a New Layer option at the bottom of the Layers panel. And with the new layer selected, press Ctrl or Command V on your keyboard to paste the subject. Now, press Ctrl or Command T on your keyboard to free transform. Right-click on the subject and select Flip Horizontal or Vertical. Now, you can simply move the subject by clicking and dragging on it until you're satisfied. Now, you can flip image and layer using Photoshop. If you find this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. And if you want to see more tutorials, turn on the notification bell so that you can get notified whenever we upload new tutorials.